Michael Bigattini from Willow Park Wines and Spirits for Make Your Own Mondays. Today I'm going to teach you the perfect gin and tonic. Couple little things that make it to the next level. The glass is kind of important. The Pinot Noir glass, the New World Pinot Noir glass from Rito, makes the perfect gin and tonic. Kind of makes sense a little bit when you know the science. It's kind of perfect. So we're going to start with some ice. Because this glass is crystal, I got to be very careful putting the ice in because we don't want to smash this crystal. And there we go, just a nice amount of ice. I'm going to use Rangpur from Tanqueray today. This is Tanqueray gin where they've added Rangpur limes to it, so it gives a little extra citrus note. You don't even need the lime wedge on the side because of this. We're going to just do, because we're doing it at home, we're going to do this a little bigger than if you were out for drinks. We're going to make that a double. We're going to put that in there. Now the second most important thing here, I think, is the tonic water. And the mass production tonics I find can be a little too sweet for me, so I like to be in full control as always. And so I love Porter's Tonic, which is a local Calgary tonic water. It's amazing. There's just a few ingredients in here. This is how they're listed on the bottle. Distilled water, organic agave nectar, citric acid, cinchona bark, which is a natural source of quinine, lemon, lime, lemongrass. That's it. Nothing you don't know what it is. Everything's real. And because it's a syrup, we're going to put about a ½ ounce of this in here. If you want it a little more tonic-y, you can go a little more. But, you know, depends on your mood. Because this is real tonic water, it's basically a tea. It's how tonic water initially was made. It's not going to be clear. It's going to give a little bit of a tea color. And then to control this, we're going to add a little soda water, or if you have Perrier or any sparkling water at home, we're just going to do it to about there. Now here's where the perfection on this gin and tonic comes from. Not only because I'm using exceptional ingredients and have the perfect glass for this, but this is where it gets a little funky. I'm going to put just a pinch of good salt. Nothing with iodine in it, just proper salt. We're using kosher salt today. Just a pinch of salt right in the center. That's going to take care of itself. And this is such an amazing thing, a little trick I picked up when I was in Italy. I'm going to put just 2 drops of good grassy olive oil into here. One on each side of the glass. And what the olive oil is going to do is it's going to make the drink a little bit more rich because of that little addition of fat. So here's 1 drop here, and then 1 drop on this side, and that's it. Now if you have a lime, you can garnish it with a lime, but if not, cheers. Enjoy, you guys, the perfect gin and tonic for Make Your Mondays.